Welcome to VSK Business Consultant, Chennai. This is a news report for informational and knowledge purposes only. Today, February 9, 2025, India's economy is showing remarkable strength. We are projecting a substantial 50% growth rate compared to the previous year. This surge is evident across various sectors, including manufacturing, retail, services, and hospitality. Manufacturing is a key driver of this growth. Increased automation and a focus on quality have made Indian products highly competitive in the global market. The retail sector is also flourishing, with both online and offline platforms experiencing significant expansion. The service industry is another major contributor. From IT services to hospitality, businesses are thriving. However, it's important to note that while the overall economic outlook is positive, there are challenges on the horizon. Interest rates on business loans have been increasing, which could potentially impact businesses' financial health and growth plans. In light of these developments, businesses are increasingly focusing on strategic financial management. By carefully analyzing data and making informed decisions, companies can navigate these challenges and optimize their financial performance. Additionally, the adoption of digital technologies is becoming crucial for business success. Embracing automation and data-driven strategies will be key for businesses to stay competitive in the evolving market landscape. To summarize, India's economy is experiencing robust growth in 2025. While challenges such as rising interest rates exist, a focus on financial management and digital transformation will be essential for businesses to thrive in this dynamic environment. As always, staying informed about the latest economic trends and industry insights is crucial for businesses of all sizes. By understanding the factors driving growth and the potential challenges ahead, you can make informed decisions to position your company for success. For more in-depth analysis and expert advice, consider consulting with a financial advisor or business consultant. They can provide tailored guidance based on your specific needs and goals. To stay updated on the latest business news and trends, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow us on WhatsApp, Facebook, and Instagram.